Are we heading for another extension in this year's income tax return filing deadline? That's the big question on every taxpayer's mind as the September 15th date gets closer. Originally, the deadline for non audit cases was July 31st, 2025, but the Central Board of Direct Taxes extended it to September 15th. On paper, that sounds like extra time, but here's the catch: most of the crucial ITR utilities weren't even available until much later. For instance, ITR 2 and ITR 3 were released only on July 11th. And ITR 5, 6, and 7 came out in August. That left taxpayers and professionals with a very narrow window to prepare returns. Now, add to that the ongoing glitches in the income tax portal, frequent session timeouts, mismatches between the AIS and Form 26AS, and delays in verification. All of this has created a bottleneck for compliance. Tax professionals argue that timely release of forms is key. Last year is a perfect example. ITR 1 to 4 and ITR 6 were available as early as April 1st, while ITR 5 and 7 followed in May and June. This gave taxpayers nearly 3 full months to prepare before the July deadline. This year, though, things look very different. With late release of utilities and multiple deadlines stacked together, including tax audit reports due on September 30th and ROC filings under company law, September has turned into a high pressure month for compliance. As CA Pratibha Goyal put it on X, the late release of ITR utilities has messed up everything. The due date should be extended to avoid last minute chaos. And she's not alone. Many experts are calling for an extension beyond September 15th, arguing that fairness demands it. After all, if the tools to comply weren't available on time, how can taxpayers be expected to finish accurately and without errors? But here's the important takeaway: should you wait for another extension? Most tax experts advise against it because filing close to the deadline comes with its own risks. As Sujit Bangar, founder of taxbuddy.com, warns, last minute filing is a recipe for trouble. The portal slows down under heavy traffic, Aadhaar OTPs can get delayed, and errors made in haste, like missing out on deductions or misreporting income, can cost you money and peace of mind. His advice is clear: file early. Not only does it reduce stress, but it also ensures accuracy and avoids the chaos of system overloads. So, while another extension might still be on the cards, the safer move is simple: don't wait. Get your return filed as soon as possible. Because when it comes to taxes, early action always beats last minute panic.